So welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, hi, I'm Tanya, and for my returning subscribers, thank you for coming back. So I just have to be honest before I continue this vlog. Is I just really don't feel like vlogging, but then I just like my mood just switched up now because I overslept. Well, today I came out of my night shift, right? And then I was planning. Usually when I come out, I sleep like about 5 hours. Then I wake up. I force myself to wake up, get on with my day so that I'm able to sleep normally the next year. And I don't know if you can hear me. And today, I don't know what happened. It's first of all, I couldn't fall asleep, and then I ended up, eventually I fell asleep, and then somehow I switched off my alarm in my sleep, and I overslept for 2 hours, and then I had to go fix or change the battery on my phone. But then since I overslept, they don't have like enough time because they said that they needed 3 hours to fix everything, and I think I arrived like at 4, and I think the store closes at, or the person that finishes work later, somewhere, a guy, doesn't matter. But anyway, now I'm just doing like a bit of shopping. I'll be going to them sometime, and now just a bit of pickup. But what the thing that lifted my mood is not like that. I'm looking for a new diary, you guys. I don't know, is it an obsession? Some of these diaries I haven't even finished writing in, and I just cannot help myself. So I'm now in the section where they've got diaries and stationery stuff. And let me just show you guys. I don't know, I just got happy because there's so many like options, but I also cannot buy all of them because I know I cannot try them at the same time. And like I mainly wanted the diary so that I can like write down my YouTube videos, video ideas and everything. So let me just show you what's there. And I don't know, I'm not just speaking nonsense. Anyway, let's get into it. So okay, I already got this. Isn't this cute, you guys? It's like a notebook. Oh yeah, they're diaries, eh? But what took my heart is this part. I don't know if you can see. And it comes with a pen, which is so handy. But then I also found this one. I found this one just because it's like I love the color, and this one is plain inside. I don't know if you can see. And then there's this one, but this one it is nice, yeah, but it's not for me. It's just, and there's so many options, guys. There's so many options, as you can see. Guys, at this point, look at this one. It's a matte box, but like at this point I could buy, I don't know, but I don't need them, eh? And then this one is in bronze. Oh, it's plain. Someone tore pages from somewhere. I don't know. Look at this, how pretty it is. I remember getting a friend this one, it's so pretty, but this time it's in purple and it's plain inside. This is so practical because it's sort of like a year diary, journal, whatever you would like to call it, but then it doesn't have like March, April, it just has like the days. And then this is also another kind, similar inside but like different outside. And obviously for those who want specific days and planning. Oh, this is pretty. Look at this. Should I get this? But see, it's 2020. The problem is I know I'm not yet at that part of planning like down to the T on specific days. Yeah, these ones are now, most of them. Oh, this one is also, but it's not. I'm not a fan. Yeah, guys. I don't know. I have to get some few stuff as well for my mom. I'm not sure, but oh, sketch. Oh my god, look at this. Like I prefer like white. This is pretty. But I already have a sketch. You know what? Let me stop this. Otherwise, I'll end up just getting stuff better. Oh yeah, and I have to decide between these two because I don't need both of them. But this I know I want to get it anywhere else. So I think I might just get both of them, and then the blue one will be like a reserve or I don't know what. And yeah, you guys, you can have your painting thingies. Later I'll get these, and then I'll have more space on my writing desk. Yeah, I'm just now in the arts and craft aisle. I don't need to be in this aisle. Let me just move on. Cause wait, I'm so sorry for like talking your ears off, you guys. Please don't mind. I don't even know how this video playback is going to look like, but I feel like I look so exhausted. I am, but life has to go on, right? So I'm just going to like look for stuff that I haven't got, and then yeah. I think I might include this video in the Pack With Me video. It'll be a different video. I don't know. I'm going to edit it. So let me just say stay tuned and see you. The sweets, I don't know if you remember from my previous video, this shop, I don't know if it's only in Hagen, Susvaren outlet. It has like really affordable sweets. You don't necessarily have to like be going to be gifting someone. You can even come here and buy stuff. Look at this, the Oreos. I'll just take one. Like the prices are crazy, guys, and I like this. It has stuff that you've never, not that you've never per se, but like that you already see somewhere. Cause like look at these cookies. Getting them for my brother or my mom as well. Cause but like €1 for like how many are they? 10. This is how it's 10, 20, 30, 40. Oh yeah, I don't know where I was, but like you can get to try new stuff out that you haven't seen for an affordable price. Oh, but a disclaimer, you also have to check the expiry date because most of the stuff will be close to expiring. Hence the price, or if they are like defective, there's also the reason why they're sent here. And for the Durslecher lovers like me, look at the price. If you want to get this elsewhere, it's way more than this. And they also have sometimes, not always, flavors that you haven't tried. I'm just taking one. And then I really loved these the last time I brought them for her. because they're nice and soft and they don't get stuck in your teeth. I have to be quick now because I have to go pick up an overdue package from the post office, and today is like the last day that I can pick it up, otherwise it will be sent back. Cereal. You guys, mostly going for €1. It's crazy. Let me see when it's expiring. Oh yeah, it's expiring this month. Do you see that? So yeah. I don't know if you understand the reason why now. And Kit Kats, I don't know how much these usually go for. And for 3 years, let's see. Yeah, just take one. I don't know. M&M's, guys. I also don't like when you don't buy this stuff. Usually, you don't really know how much they usually are. But just take. I think get like 3 hour. And I miss the spot, guys. I miss the spot because I showed you Kit Kats the other side, eh? And oh, it's cereal. Oh, I thought it was also chocolate. Oh, I love Smarties. And you guys, look at this Lind going for €1. It's not the biggest package, but sometimes and what matters is just the label, eh? Sometimes, not always, but and chocolate. Wow. Cadbury for €1. Guys. Hi guys, so I am done. I'm not sure if I overbought, but I think the price was fair. I'll show you when I'm now packing, and then if I remember the price, then I'll tell you. But yeah, now making my way to the post office, so it's like back into my city now, cause yeah. So yeah, just take a look at the house. This is Hagen, Germany. This is where, this is the city where I did my au pair. And yeah, so let's go home, guys. Well, not yet, but like, see you later. Stay tuned for what's yet to come. I don't know if it's going to be still today or just the next day. Hi guys. So don't mind the hair. So today is the next day from of going to get my phone fixed, or rather change the battery. And this time around I went to another city, not where I was before, because it's closer to where I stay. And yeah, I hope that I can get it directly fixed and don't have to come back again. So yeah, and so yeah, stay tuned and I'll update you on everything.
Hallo.
Hallo, ich wollte mein iPhone 12 Pro Batterie tauschen.
Ja.
Geht es heute?
Wir können das hier im Markt nicht mehr, weil wir keinen Techniker mehr haben. Wir
Ich
müssen
hab
es wegschicken,
angerufen.
circa 12 Tage dann.
Nee, alles gut. Weil ich habe heute Morgen angerufen, ich war in Hagen, ging es. Und dann habe ich auf diese Online-Service angerufen und die sagen, dass es ging.
Ja, obwohl die eigentlich mittlerweile wissen, dass wir seit 2 Jahren keinen Techniker mehr haben.
Dankeschön, dann gehe ich jetzt nach Hagen.
Wäre
Dankeschön.
sinnvoller, glaube ich.
Okay,
Vielen Dank auch.
danke, gleichfalls. I am so annoyed. I called this morning and I was answered by these automated or the central service, customer service, and asked extra if I could come to this specific location to change my battery, and I could. And this is me coming here today, and I'm being told no. And now I have to go to the city that I avoided. Actually, Hokuti. Oh, this is so annoying. I could have made my journey shorter. Man, I'm so annoyed. Because now I don't even know if I'm going to get a train directly or how long I have to wait. Oh well, this is annoying. But anyway, so I guess see you when we're in Hagen. Yeah. So we are back where we were the other day. The street shop and rituals and everything else. So I really hope that the person who does the changes is not on lunch. I was supposed to come in the morning, I guess. They just said come earlier last time I was here. So I'm a bit earlier than the last time. So I am really crossing my fingers that I am on time. So yeah, let's go.
Hi.
Ich wollte einmal mein iPhone 12 Pro Batterien
Akkutausch.
Akku tauschen, genau.
Einmal die iPhone-Sucher deaktivieren.
Wie macht man das?
Zeig ich dir.
Aber das ist besonders. Muss man jetzt nicht unbedingt so nutzen. Genau.
Hi guys. So this is the face of someone who's exhausted. I literally had nothing to do in the 3 hours, and like yet, like now, when I think about it, I could have actually gone home. Though it's about an hour, 2, and then an hour coming back, meaning I would have been 2 hours, and then like I would have been home for only an hour. But oh well, it is what it is. We learn. Yeah. So this is it. Well, what is it? One moment. So yeah. The phone got repaired. I actually have I charged you guys. I charged this phone before I came to 100%, and now it's like on 0, it's on red, and I ended up. So yeah, I'm going to give this phone to my mom, and I ended up getting a new phone so that I could use it in the meantime. And my mom has been also complaining about her phone. A mouthpiece or something is broken and all. So I guess my other option was like, I thought quickly I can go with with this phone, then come back and using a tablet. And now I just took it on installments, guys, because sometimes you have to think about family. Yeah, and being the best daughter, you guys, sometimes you have to make sacrifices. So yeah, and what else? So yeah, I thought this was going to be an eventful vlog, but it turns out not. I'm sorry if I disappointed some of you guys. Yeah, so thank you so much for tuning in, and see you in the next one. I hope it will be more eventful. Bye.